Next is page 31. Wilson, come on up.
Are you Martha Wilson?
Yes.
Miss Wilson, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Complainant and defendant are former spouses. On August 18th, 2024, officer was dispatched to a family disturbance at 333 Dominion Drive in Harris County, Texas. Complainant stated the defendant was intoxicated. Complainant stated he was lying in bed when defendant accompanied him and proceeded to shove him. Complainant stated defendant scratched him with her nails, causing him pain and discomfort. Officer observed visible injuries to his left side on his stomach. Complainant was bleeding as a result of being scratched.
All the cops, do you know? Do we know what the status of the relationship is now? Does he want contact? Does he want no contact? Do we know?
I'm sorry, but I just want to get I presume we have-
Do you have the rip done? Do we know if he wants?
Done, complainant wants defendant to come back home and wants contact.
Okay. So, Ms. Wilson, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using any alcohol or dope, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? There is a protective order that has been entered in this case, identifying Hunter Wilson as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat, harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon. Do you understand? This usually comes with a residential restriction, meaning you cannot go home. I will take that off now. But understand, I don't know what kind of relationship you have with him. If it's something that you're constantly butting heads, I would probably get away. Because if I find that there's any more issues, you're the one that's going to go to jail. You understand?
Yes.
Tell me, what do you do for a living now?
I'm a stay-at-home mom.
How many kids do you have?
2 that are underage,
How old?
9 and 4.
Okay. What does your husband do for a living?
He's a underwriter,
How much money does he make a month?
about 117 a year.
Okay. I to hire a lawyer. You do not qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
We're in the process of retaining one.
Do you have one now?
I do have someone, we just, we're waiting on the 401k payment to come in.
So what we're going to do is we will give you 30 days. Okay. Once you do have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must have a lawyer first, sign on to the case so that we know that you have representation. Don't consume alcohol from any source. I'm telling you, if I find that you're consuming, and I don't care what it is, mouthwash, a tequila, lollipop, hair dye, I've heard it all and I don't care. You test positive, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds. You understand? I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, you will get with Rachel for your bond conditions. And after that, you'll be free to go, man. Okay? All right. Please.